right, let's take a look at the topics for useful knowledge section. The first topic is, what is a GU? GU stands for Generation Unit. It's a group of shapes created by a single command. Each GU corresponds directly to one operation in your history palette. This means that when you select a GU, you're directly selecting the shape it created. Now, let's look at an example of creating ribs on a plate shape. Initially, the design required 4 ribs, but due to a design change, it was reduced to 3. Causing a parametric error. In such cases, using GU in the design process can help avoid this issue. GU takes elements created through command history as input elements. This helps prevent errors during history replay. And reduces the effort needed for error handling. The second topic is ExcelInteraction difficult? ExcelInteraction in CADmeister makes it incredibly easy to link your models with Excel. It provides functions to import and reflect things like dimension values and other information. And the best part is that you can create these buttons easily, even without any programming knowledge. For example, let's go back to the rib creation case. Once you've set the options, you can select Output the input values of this command for ExcelInteraction by executing the Create Process Group button. A button will be created that starts the command with the specified options. The same method applies to creating ribs with different lengths. The length option value is based on Excel's values, so you can also use Excel formulas. Additionally, you can create a button that opens a file for accessing the target data. Command buttons can be created by selecting a command from CADmeister's command list. You can even create buttons for Boolean operations and search for commands by name. Finally, to check the size of the created data, you can create a button that executes the ExcelInteraction mass property calculation, measure projected areas, and output point coordinate values to Excel all at once. The ExcelInteraction add-in allows you to create startup buttons for various add-ins. Simply add the desired add-in and specify the cell where the analysis value should be output. It is also possible to combine multiple commands and execute them in sequence. If there are operation notes, you can add them directly in Excel, such as Sample Sheet in Excel, so that other team members can easily understand the workflow. Now, let's test it in action. By simply clicking them, you can start CADmeister commands, run Excel add-ins, and output analysis values. By creating ExcelInteraction buttons, you can register workflows and easily create documents to share design information with third parties. The third topic is, do you know what a histogram is? Histogram is a distribution map of the distances between the specified entities, surface, line, or STL. It is displayed as a temporary figure and a color palette, and result panels are also displayed. You can get a histogram from the eval_dist distribution command. Let's execute the eval_dist distribution command. We will switch the display mode of the execution results to gradient. By doing this, the histogram display icon will become clickable. In the histogram display window, turning on the data label display on/off command allows you to check the numerical ratio for each color. The fourth topic is, do you know how to configure your mouse? CADmeister allows users to customize mouse operations. Additionally, CADmeister includes pre-configured mouse operation settings to match those of other software. The settings can be found in the menu bar, Tool, User Setup, Mouse. By default, the zoom center is set to the center of the screen, as shown here. To change this, go to the Home tab, User Setup, Mouse tab, Detail Settings, then change the scroll wheel zoom center to cursor position. After making this change, you'll see that the cursor position becomes the zoom center, allowing you to smoothly zoom in on the area you want to focus on.
The fifth topic is, are your assembly structure piling up with files? This command displays the object structure of the currently loaded file in a tree diagram, allowing for various operations. Have you experienced an issue where your assembly palette is overflowing with files? If so, the Clear Work Environment command can help. This command deletes all files currently loaded in the work environment, restoring it to the same state as a cold start of CADmeister. Let's take a look at the Work Environment Clear procedure. Right-click on Temporary Workspace in the Assembly Structure palette. Select Work Environment Clear, then choose Yes. This will close all currently open files without existing CADmeister.